This is Nitin signing in and showing you how wallpaper work is been done at my client's house. First on the walls is been scraped by patra, and then POP and putty is applied on the scrape part, that is called filling. After that, leveling is there, and then wallpaper application is done. This is how the wallpaper is applied on the walls and ceiling. The full procedure is shown in the photo. This is Nitin Mehta signing off. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. This is wallpaper work in hall. This is the texture paint on beams and balcony. And this is in the niche, a darker one to give highlight. These are called highlighters. And ceiling is painted. So this is the full hall wallpaper and painting done by Nitin Mehta. Thank you. Do comment, like, and subscribe.